Hey there, photography enthusiasts. Welcome back to Top 5 Essentials. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to our hearts, photography for beginners. If you're just starting your journey in the captivating world of photography, you're in for a treat. We've rounded up the top 5 photography tips for beginners to help you capture stunning images that you'll be proud of. Let's jump right in. Tip 1. Understand lighting. First up, we have the game changer, understanding lighting. Natural light is your best friend. Shoot during the golden hours, that's right after sunrise and just before sunset, for that soft, warm glow. Avoid harsh midday sun for now, and remember, even diffused light is your secret weapon. Tip 2. Master composition. Moving on to tip number 2, mastering composition. Ever heard of the rule of thirds? Imagine your frame divided into 9 equal parts, and place your subject along these lines or at their intersections. It adds dynamism and intrigue to your shots. And don't forget about leading lines, they draw the viewer's eye right into your photo. Tip 3. Focus on the basics. Tip number 3, focus on the basics. Literally. Experiment with your camera's focus modes, auto, manual, or even the magic of selective focus. Make sure your subject is sharp and stands out from the background. Tip 4. Experiment with perspectives. Now let's talk about tip number 4, experimenting with perspectives. Don't just stand at eye level, crouch down, climb up, and get creative. Changing your angle can transform an ordinary scene into something extraordinary. Tip 5. Post-processing magic. And finally, tip number 5, post-processing magic. After you've captured your shot, a little editing can make a big difference. Explore user-friendly editing apps to adjust exposure, contrast, and colors. Just remember, subtlety is key, don't overdo it. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, share this video with fellow budding photographers, and subscribe to our channel for more essential content. Thanks for watching, and here's to capturing moments that last a lifetime. Camera with flash sunrise.